Good morning. Good Saturday morning. Okay, so I've been asked numerous times how I clean my copper, roses, and other items that I create for Fresh Art Studio. So we have 1.5" stainless steel flat wire wheels. I use a lot of these cups. 1 inch. You can find them on eBay, Amazon, whatnot. So I use a Fordham GX and foot control. The reason why I cover my foot control is because of all the little wire wheels and copper dust. I've actually blown a few of those out. Oh, let me show you this. Really like the Dremel Micros. They're really nice to get in. Not a lot of power. And I use these cut resistant gloves from Menards. I'm sure you can find them anywhere. I actually wash mine and reuse them. I don't see any reason why not to. They work great. Wash several times. I just let them powder dry, or line dry, I should say. Wire wheel. So I use a coarse and I use a fine. Sometimes I'll buff with the big boy there. Get a little bit of a tour. So I let everything soak. This is the small soak tank. I don't know. Maybe that's 20 gallons. Just regular water. And then we use Pool pH reducer. Sodium bisulfate. I use about 1.5 cups to 2 cups for that tank. Make sure everything soaks overnight. I will highly recommend you use gloves and safety glasses. Right. Well, I hope you all have a nice weekend. I'm going to get